occasion of the happy escape, for a crowning of pot valiance. This regional platter, Benjamin of Baulis, with the Polish olive to middle-pointed zenith, was marrying itself, porco grasso, arabesqued very deliciously with a bottle of Fenice Brewery, 98, followed for second nuptials by a peace porter, Grand Cur, of both of which was cherished table lights. Though humble the banquet 'tis a leman's farewell, he obdurately sniffed the cobweb-crusted corks. Our cad's bit of strife, knee bare knee smacks Welton, with a quick ear for spittoons, as the aftertale hath it, glaned up, as usual, with domestic husbandry. No per-six and Armelians for thee, Pomeranzia, but slipping the clave in her claw, broke of the matter among 111 others in her usual curtsy. How faint these first vespers womanly are, a secret pispigliando among the laverdy den of their manfolker. The next night nudge one, as was Hegesippus over a hapachee, her eyes dry and small and speech thicklish, because he appeared a funny colour, like he couldn't stood the old hens no longer, to her particular reverend, the director, whom she had been meeting in her mind primarily to speak with. Hush, Intra, just a timblespoon. Trusting, between cupped lips and annihilary promises, might she never have a snakery puddin come Hunanaw for her pecklapitchins, that the gospel so delivered in his epistolier, buried teetostally in their Irish stew, would go no further than his Jesuit's cloth, yet, in Vinars Vanitas, Volatiles Valetotum, it was this overspoiled priest, Mr. Brown, disguised as a Vincentian, who, when seized of the facts, was overheard, in his secondary personality as a Nolan and underreared, pole soul by accident, if that is the incident it was an accident, for here the roar of Ecclesiastes of Hippo outpuffs the ritrus of Have a Banana, to pianissime, a slightly varied version of Crookdrib's Confidentials, what mere Aloys said, but for Josephine's sake, hands between her hands, in fealty sworn, my braver best, my flower, and, to the strains of the secret of her birth, harshly pierced the rubicund aurellum of one Philly Thurston, a lay teacher of rural science and orthophonetics, of a near stout figure and about the middle.